Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Powrun brand, their P1 Max 4000 amp portable jump starter. And this came in this nice box and it has this really nice holder that you could zipper shut so that you can keep everything inside here ready for a jump start. Has an instruction manual. The unit itself, which I have turned on right there, you see it's fully charged. We're going to go over all the details about that. And then you have a included 120 volt USB-A. This is a great one. It's 3 amps of energy, which is great. And then we have an included USB-A to C cable for charging the device and also for extracting the power bank. And then finally inside here is the jumper cables themselves. Very good quality, spring-loaded copper with grips on there, really nice. Extra long cable, which is easier to use. And the adapter was plugged right in right there with a custom connection and some basic instructions. We're going to show you how to do this. There is a boost button that you're going to be hitting when you get the status that's okay, the blinking LED. We're going to be showing this on my 2012 Hyundai car that has a dead battery right now. So let's show you more about this product. It has a power switch right there, and on one side is where you have your various connections. You can see on the right there's a USB-C. That is for charging. That's USB-A. That is the power bank that you can extract that huge amount of energy that this thing has. 24,000 milliamp hours this has inside as a power bank and also for starting the car. That's where it's getting that 4,000 amps jump starting. This will work for diesel engines and gas engines up to 10 liter. That other connection right there, you see that round barrel connector, that's a standard 12 volt, or they're calling it 13.5 I believe, 15 volt output 10 amp. That's a high current DC connection. You can buy an adapter online, or if you have one that you can charge or power like vacuum cleaners or strobe lights, things like that on the car, taking advantage of this amazing power bank. On the other side, you lift this flap up and there is the port for the jump starting. It only fits in one way. Keep these all closed and sealed, and it's great. On the front here, it's got this cool headlamp on there with a multiple array of LEDs, and you hold this button down right here and you see it comes on. Click the button again and it goes to flashing mode. One more time and it'll do SOS, and then one more time it'll go off. That's really nice to have in an emergency on the road to get some attention. Charging the Powrun is really simple. There's a nice display that shows you what's going on. I'm using the included cable and I have it plugged in, the adapter. You can also use any other USB-C output like I have right there. But the good thing about this is it's a 3 amp output and it will just display. The display will shut off, but you could just hit the button right there and it'll come on. It'll give you the status, let you know that it's fully charged. Here's an example of using the power bank function. I have the included cable on the USB-A, and here I'm charging a vacuum cleaner using the USB-C. And you could charge any mobile phone or any device or product that uses USB-C. And you're taking advantage of that huge capacity battery that's in the Powrun by using that port right there. I want to go over some of the details about this. When you connect this up, it plugs right in just like that, and there is that boost button I was telling you about. You can hear the relay clicked inside here. Now typically you want to make sure that your battery voltage is greater than 3 volts. But even if the battery voltage is low, in this case, let's say it's something like 9 volts or lower, that boost button on that controller right here will allow you to jump start your car. And that's nice to have, because sometimes you have a totally dead battery and you're not going to be able to start it with other jump starters. But this one's going to allow you to start that. This product also has a 2-year warranty, and it gets excellent customer ratings. And again, it's got that huge power bank and that LED spotlight on there, which is excellent. And it takes about 3.5 hours to quick charge it. If it's totally dead, it'll take about 6.5 hours to fully charge it. but you probably never get it that low. And it is IP65 dust proof and water resistant, and that's great in case it's drizzling out when you're jumping your car. That's going to solve that problem immediately. So that's a great thing to know. You go to start your car and you crank it, and this is what you hear. So what do? Take the keys out and jump the vehicle. So here I'm in my garage with my dead battery on my Hyundai Elantra wagon, and I've got the positive terminal hooked up to the positive and the negative to the negative. I'm going to turn the unit on. You can see that it's fully charged. I'm going to hit the boost button. You hear that click and the green right there. So now it's sending energy right into the battery. Now I'm going to see if I can start the car. Now we've got the jumper on there. Now there you go. Car starts just fine. That gives you opportunity to go get battery checked or change it yourself. But it gets you off the road and you don't need a tow. So after testing, what do I think about the Powrun brand, their P1 Max Jump Starter System? This is a great product. Cable adapters included, this excellent jump starter with the status and the unit itself, and this amazing holder to keep everything organized and ready. This is a great product. As I demonstrated, everything worked. I was able to jump start my car. You want to get yourself one of these for any time you have an emergency where your battery's low on your vehicle. This even works for electric vehicles. I have a Kona electric, and sometimes the 12-volt battery dies, you can't get in the car, and this allows you to jump that battery also. So I'm impressed with the quality of this. It's very durable. Everything works. Powrun did an amazing job on it. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.